Money? I could pay you money.
Oh, I like money. How much?
$100?
$100. You'll have to do a lot better than that. 200.
Fine.
Right then.
Right then.
It kind of hurt. You actually sleep with this guy?
Stop it! Who made you queen of the world? Well, you're old enough to be.
Well, what can I say? I guess Xander's just too much man for the pimple squad.
You're gonna give me a hard time now.
Do I usually give you a hard time?
Very funny.
Of course. That's it. We'll attack him with germs.
Great. We'll get him cornered and then you can sneeze on him.
No, we'll get a container of Ebola virus or it doesn't even have to be real. We can just get a box that says Ebola on it and, chase him.
I see one more display of testosterone poisoning and I will personally put you both in the hospital.
Goddess Hecate, to you I pray. With the second...
Quit with the Hecate.
Oh, you.
And you.
We have to catch the Buffy rat.
He started.
Most people don't use their tongues to say hello. Or, I guess they do.
Comes Buffy. Now remember, discretion is the best part of that.
You could have just said, shh. God, are all you Brits such drama queens? I was on the phone all night listening to Willow cry about you. Now, I don't know exactly what happened, but I was left with a very strong urge to hit you.
But until then, I'm just as helpless as a kitten up a tree, so why don't you sod off?
Okay?
Oh, fine! Throw it in my face!
Could it possibly get uglier? I used to be a highly respected watcher, and now I'm a wounded dwarf with the mystical strength of a doily.
Hey, you respect the narrative flow much? Please continue the story of failure. I'll patrol tonight, as long as it takes. You guys have your fun. I'll be out there doing my job.
I personally don't think it's possible to come up with a crazier plan.
We attacked the mayor with hummus.
I stand corrected.
Just keeping things in perspective.
What kind of person could sleep on a night like this?
Only the crazy ones.
You know, one of these days, I'm just gonna put you two in a room and let you wrestle it out.
No problem at this end.
There could be oil of some kind involved.
Audius attack hit points. Trogdor has badly wounded you.
Wait a minute, what about my bag of illusions?
Illusions against a burninator? Silly, silly British man.